This video released by Israeli military shows that it is now in control of the land border near Egypt. The 14-kilometer corridor bordering Egypt was the only land border that Israel did not have control over.
בימים האחרונים, כוחות צה"ל השיגו שליטה מבצעית בציר פילדלפי, בגבול שבין מצרים לרפיח. ציר פילדלפי שימש כצינור החמצן של חמאס, דרכו חמאס עסק בהברחות אמל"ח לשטח הרצועה באופן קבוע.
Israel's military officials claim to have found 20 tunnels that cross into Egypt in the 10 days that it had carried out operations in Rafah.
חמאס ניצל את מרחב פילדלפי. הוא ניצל אותו ובנה את התשתיות האלה במרחק של עשרות מטרים בודדים מהגבול עם מצרים, בכדי שאנחנו לא נתקוף אותם. זה היה בסמוך של בין 10 מטרים ל-40 מטרים מהגבול, במיוחד באופן כזה שישראל לא תתקוף ליד הגדר עם מצרים.
Israel also sent tanks into Rafah. This is the first time tanks have been used in the Rafah operation, despite the top UN court ordering Israel to stop its Rafah operation. The army tanks moved into Rafah even as airstrikes continued. On Sunday night, 45 people are suspected to have died after a strike started a fire in a tent camp where Palestinians were sheltering. Gaza officials claimed 19 people were killed in Israeli airstrikes that have taken place after the fire. Israel's national security advisor has said fighting will carry on in Gaza throughout this year. He also said the fighting in Rafah is not a pointless war. Satellite photos taken before and after the devastating fire in West Rafah shows the stark difference. Another set of satellite images taken near the Kerem Shalom border also show the before and after impact of Israeli airstrikes. The United Nations had already warned of famine in Gaza. It has said there is a massive drop in the humanitarian aid coming into the enclave, a two-thirds drop since Israel started its Rafah operation.
Nearly 2 million Palestinians have been displaced from their homes in the Gaza Strip, many of them multiple times. And some 100,000 Israelis have been displaced from communities in Israel's north and south. Agreement on a deal to achieve a ceasefire and secure the release of hostages is blocked. And as Israel rolls out significant ground operations in and around Rafah, the devastation is only intensifying.
For more such videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure you hit the like button and follow for more news updates.